It's September 13th, and it's time for an Astrology Minute with Mehtab. So do you know your other sun sign? Most of us know our Western sun signs. For example, many of you today are probably thinking, if you're born recently, that in that recent time we're in now, that you're a Libra sun. In reality, if you're born between September 17th and October 16th, you're actually a Virgo sun in Vedic astrology. In Vedic astrology, oftentimes your sun sign will change back one sign before your Western sun sign. Now, if you are a Vedic Virgo sun, here's what that means. You're very disciplined, you have good intelligence, you're very structured, you're very organized, you're very concerned about one's health, your health. You love to take practices, spiritual practices that produce health benefits. So a Virgo sun is actually a wonderful sun to have to be on this earth. All of us may have two sun signs, if you think about it, our Western sun sign, our Vedic sun sign. If you'd like to know more about your Vedic sun sign, I have a free class, What is Your Vedic Sun Sign, October 16th. Please join me. Happy birthday.